We are pleased to show you the 2018 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, center armrest. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.